Good morning. Welcome to this session of Linux in 10 minutes. What is the course objective? We will try to understand why this course is designed, what you can achieve from this course. This course is designed for the people who want to successful in the IT career. This will not only help you to make the career in IT infrastructure, but it will help you to maintain and troubleshoot whatever the problems in the Linux operating system. Linux is highly essential skill, so start learning now. So let's see what are the things we are going to cover here. So what is Linux? What is the importance of learning Linux? What you should go and learn in Linux? What we are offering and what is the next step? So what is Linux? Linux is an open source operating system. It is the base of all IT operations career. Now in the figure you can see that the starting point is the Linux. From the Linux you can achieve the various heights of your career. So Linux is the base, Linux is a must for any IT career. Let's say you are choosing a DevOps technology, you need Linux. You need automation, you need Linux. You need a cloud technology, you need Linux. You need a containerization technology, you need Linux. So you can see that Linux is the base of all, and it is must to go with the technologies. Why to learn Linux? Linux gives plenty of jobs opportunities. Millions and millions of servers are installed with Linux operating system. It is a stable and mature operating system. It is a very secure operating system. It is an open source. It is a free of cost operating system. That means you don't have to pay any amount if you download and start using Linux. It is easy to learn. It's the base of all the another courses or technologies, which is like DevOps, cloud computing, containerization, and so on. And on top of that, Linux is must to get a good job in IT operations. And that's what we are learning Linux here. We want a job, we want a better career perspective. So Linux is the essential, Linux is the must part for that. So what are the topics we are going to cover in our overall course? So we are going to talk about various flavors of Linux like Ubuntu, CentOS, Red Hat, SUSE, how to go with the different ways of installation and configuration of Linux. We will try to understand in depth about user management, what is user, why we need the user, what are the different commands to have the user operations and so on. We will try to work with the package management. Why we need a package management, what is the package management system, how it works, how it helps for the Linux to work in that area. We will understand the basics and core of all the networking aspects. What are like IP address and subnet mask and DNS and gateway and DHCP, public network, private network, public IP, private IP, bridge, NAT, and these and that. So a lot of components we are going to learn in that. We will understand and learn the editor. It is called as king of all editors, which is the VI editor. So using that, you will be able to create the files, update the files, save and search, and do a lot of operations in that. So we will learn that. We will try to understand the basics aspect, basic fundamental building block of Linux, the files. What are the different types of files, where to use what files, and so on. We will focus on the security aspects with the file ownership and permissions. So how to assign the ownership, how to work with the permissions, and so on. We will talk about the compression utilities, how to use, how to take the advantage of compressions, and what is the real-time use of these compression utilities. We will learn that. Linux has hundreds and thousands, but not it has millions of files. So how to search a particular file, how to get the information about a particular file, we will go and we will try to understand with the search utilities. So we will go and learn the search utilities to understand and get the information about different files in our operating systems. We will heavily work on the strings operations, how to manipulate files, how to manipulate strings, what are the different commands to go along. We will focus on that. So string operation is an important part. This is also useful when you are doing an automation. Understanding of Linux processes, sometimes they call it as a task or job. We will see how to start a job, how to process it, what to work with that, how to stop a job, and different aspects of the jobs or the process. So hopefully you able to get the little bit understanding that what we are trying to achieve in the Linux. Again, I will emphasize that Linux is the important for IT career. It is a must technology you should learn. You should go for the higher IT careers, you need that Linux. I cannot emphasize on more than that. So who can learn Linux? Very simple. Any freshers who wants to enter in the IT job career, or he want to start his own IT stuff, he need to get into the Linux. He must understand the Linux. It is helpful for the AWS administrator or cloud administrators. If you are using some kind of cloud like AWS, Azure, or you are going with the Google Cloud, Linux is the base of that. So you need to have that understanding. The people who want to switch their working platform from Windows to Linux, so this is a very good course that they can use of, and they can get better benefit while going from the Windows world to the Linux open source world. So what is the prerequisite for learning Linux? Anyone who has a strong willingness to join IT career, he has a strong desire to go for IT career, Linux is the best opportunity and the starting course for the IT career. You need to have some basics understanding of computers. If you have these kind of things, that's all you need to do. Rest of the things we will take care for you. Now, why to learn Linux from us? Very simple. We are providing you in-depth understanding and knowledge of Linux. We will provide you a hands-on experience on Linux. We will also offer a huge upfront discount if you join Linux with other courses like DevOps and Cloud. And we will also prepare you for the interview. We will guide you for the other things. So that's the advantage we will bring for you when you join with us. What next? Call us for more details like what is the course duration, what is the course fee, what are the different batches available. You can call us on 91-703-247-2634. I repeat, 703-247-2634. Thanks for watching and see you in the session. Take care and have a nice time. Bye-bye.